Hey guys, so it is day 14. Got confused yesterday. Day 12 was my day off, so I stayed in Mountain Home, Arkansas last night. Got a pretty good night's sleep. Spent all day yesterday just kind of cruising and exploring around the Ozark National Forest, which was really neat. Real nice roads, lots of good tree cover. Definitely got a little on the hot side. I got off the road at about 3 o'clock, right as it started to get about 100 degrees and like 80% humidity, so it really felt hot. It's going to be more of the same today. I left the hotel about 7 o'clock. I've been on the road for about an hour already. And I've only covered about 29 miles. I had to pull off back there. I was stuck behind a big rig and some kind of other big service truck and a old Ford pickup and everything. And I figured I'd just pull off and have a little water and just kind of wait for a little bit, let them put a little distance in front of me. Usually the reason I take these little small 2-lane roads is because there's no 18-wheelers or anything on them, but definitely wasn't the case today. So I'm headed south on Highway 5. It kind of snakes around to the east side of Ozark National Forest. I can't remember what the sign was back there. It's some kind of scenic byway here in Arkansas. So I'm going to head down south towards Little Rock, Arkansas, and then I'm going to start slowly making the trip east through the south side of the lower 48 and then turn up. There's some rainstorms out there brewing, so I'm going to kind of keep my eye on that the next few days and kind of plan my trip accordingly so I don't have to go in through too much of it. You know, I got my rain suit handy just in case I need it, but ultimately I'd rather not. I think some of those storms could get pretty nasty with hail and lightning and stuff like that, but that is it for right now. Check in with you later. Greer's Ferry Lake. Yeah, you find the coolest stuff when you're really not looking for it. Greer's Lake, Greer's Ferry Dam. Yeah, it was pretty interesting. Looked at the overlook that shows the backside of the dam, and one thing that was pretty cool is they had a core sample of the rock where they drill a big core and they pop it out, and then the geologist can go down in there and look around and see what the rock is like, if it's stable or, you know, good for making a dam on. And I guess it was. One of them was 128 feet deep. So, you know, and they're only like 2 feet wide. They had to get some guy, lower him down in there on a string like a worm on a hook to get down in there and look around. Definitely not a job if you're claustrophobic. But, let's see, am I going the right way? I think I'm going to go back, go through Heber Springs. if I keep going straight, yeah, if I keep on going straight to the right, I can find Highway 5 again. Anyway, carry it on. Yeah, let's just cruise it along. Probably should have stopped and look at my map, but here we are in Little Rock, Arkansas. Actually looks kind of cool. Nice little park looking thing over there. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get off and look around. I think I'm looking to just buzz on through and get back out into some country. People around here really drive aggressively, I've noticed. Or at least maybe it's just a couple of people. Roosevelt. Getting hot too around here. Just about 99 degrees. Well, I guess we're through the other side of Little Rock. Well, I guess I want to go Highway 30 towards Texarkana. Let's hit this Highway 30 here. That was fun. Not really. Yeah, so I'm a little bit south of Little Rock. Pulled off back there to gas up and use the bathroom, look at the map. Just kind of zoomed out on my GPS. Looks like there's Highway 270 coming up. I'm on 167 southbound. 270 goes east and west, and it looks like on the atlas, after you get a little bit further west, it turns into a nice road. So I hope so. This is not a very fun area as far as motorcycle riding goes. It's got junk cars and shit everywhere. It's kind of ghetto. I don't know, it's different than what I'm used to as far as ghetto goes. It's just a bunch of fucking crap everywhere. Yeah, I was talking with my brother the other day, and he's asking me he's like, yeah, what's your favorite part of the trip been so far? And I really didn't have a good answer. I was like, I don't know, everything's been pretty enjoyable thus far, which makes me think I gotta have a least favorite part of the trip. So I think this leg of the trip right now, going through the Little Rock, Arkansas area, is my least favorite part. And I guess if this is the worst of it, not too bad. Hopefully that was the worst of it. Yeah, that going across the highway right there next to Little Rock, and the next side over headed northbound, there was a freaking wheelbarrow in the center of the highway that fell off of somebody's truck. Shit like that's why I really don't like riding on interstate highways. Well, anyway, a little bit more of this 167 to go, then 270. Between here and there, it'd be cool if I could find a little park or a picnic area or something. I'm starting to get a little bit hungry. It's 11:10. Time to pull off and have a little food. Well, 40-mile-an-hour speed limit, better slow her down. Yeah, at least I'm all gassed up. I don't gotta stop again. At least for a while. Yeah, what the... I haven't even got the fucking hill. Ugh. So I just pulled off for a little detour. I see a sign for Hot Springs National Park, but I think it's just like this little drive that goes around the hot springs. Look like, you know, Hot Springs, Arkansas is a pretty big town. Really busy out there. It is Friday afternoon. So I think the hopes of finding a visitor center to look around that aren't super like overly busy, I don't know if that's gonna happen today. But I see the sign that said Scenic Drive, so there's where I am. I was kind of hoping I'd find a little picnic table or somewhere to pull off and have some food. Getting a little hungry. Definitely got the ultimate switchbacks going through here. Well, I don't know. Seems like on here there's a little dot that says Hot Springs National Park coming up, so maybe there is a little visitor center. Yeah, I didn't really see any kind of visitor center. They had an observation tower up there, but had a bunch of people waiting to get up in there. So get back up here to take a left to head back down to Highway 7. Oh man. Yeah, you're gonna be able to Yeah, it's gonna be a long trip through town. Yeah, I took a little break back there to have some food, a little water, check the map. I continued south on 7, briefly got on Interstate 80. Now I'm off of that and I'm on Arkansas 8. And while I was having my food, I was kind of looking on the internet. Looked like it kind of has a little intersection right at Highway 70. There's a little town, Glenwood. Looks like it'd probably be a good place to try and find a motel for the night. 2:21, so it's still a little bit early for check-in, so I figure that'll probably land me there right about the perfect amount of time. I'm at 279 miles for the day. So it's been a full day. Going through the Little Rock area and the Hot Springs area, just as, you know, it's Friday, busier than shit. It like makes me tense up, and I get this really sore muscle up in my shoulder, like right where my neck is, just like a nerve that's right there gets tense and pinches it off. But I think this road is going to be a good way to end the night. Definitely looking forward to getting out of this heat. It's been right around 100 degrees for the last couple hours. I was going down 30. Yeah, it was up around 102. Really not a whole lot pleasant about heat like that, but we are pressing on. Find me a place to stay tonight. Hopefully there's a grocery store or something nearby, and call it a day. Found myself a pretty decent place to stay with lots of room. Right across the highway was a little Mexican grocery store with a restaurant in it. I got really good mole chicken legs and a cold burrito, and once again I was a happy man.